Today, we are going to road test home our 1965 Porsche 904 GTS. We've just done a major service to prepare it for the season. I'm going to road test it home this evening since the roads have been cleared since our last snowfall, and I'm looking forward to having a lovely ride home, albeit cold, but lovely. We have performed a full service. We've rebuilt the carburation, replaced the filters and fluids, new tires, gone through the suspension and brakes. This is a superb 904 GTS. It is the second to the last 904 GTS ever produced. It has had SCCA race history here in America. It was used as a promotional vehicle by Porsche of Hekla, Iceland for cold weather testing. It was originally delivered with a 4-cam 4-cylinder engine, but is now equipped with a 2-liter 6-cylinder engine. Let's lock the doors to the dealership and drive it home. As you can see from this wonderful ride home, the 904 GTS is well dialed in, has plenty of power, runs like a bear in a cat suit, and is quite enjoyable to drive on the local roads as well as on the highway, cruising at speed. Lovely run home. It was a few exits on the Long Island Expressway and now in suburbia and being put away at Casadopolis with several of its brothers and sisters. More tomorrow. Let's do our morning cold start. Quite cold outside. We're going to warm up the car a little bit before we go anywhere. Okay, now that we have some heat in the engine, let's get going. As we warm the car up this morning and before we get onto the highway, let me tell you a little bit about its history. This is the second to last 904 GTS produced. It was a promotional vehicle used by Porsche of Hekla, Iceland for cold weather testing and promotional purposes. Sold to its first private owner, Dr. Armstrong of Toledo, Ohio. This 904 GTS was imported to the United States and raced in a variety of Midwest SCCA events. Early ownerships included several well-known early U.S. owners. It was later exported to a German collector across the pond to the European continent. Soon thereafter, it was sold to its next ownership in the United Kingdom prior to returning to the USA in 2016. All history is extremely well documented. Now let's watch a little bit of its morning daylight cruising capabilities on the way to work, and let this 904 GTS speak for itself until we have a moment to come back to speak a little bit more about its superb history. While we cruise the local roads on our way to Autosport Designs, let me mention that this is a wonderfully original 904 with original body and frame and has never had any serious accidents. This is a rare opportunity to purchase one of only 4 second series 904 GTSs with the factory updates. Original body, original frame, documented ownership, documented race history, period photographs.
Yep, it's a little cold in here.
This 904 GTS has been featured in both Jürgen Barth's as well as Jerry Pantas's 904 books, so it is well documented for sure.
Whoop! Can't wait to get back to the homestead. This lovely Saturday, frigid temperatures. Get inside and warm my tootsies up. Well, this is how we will park today. Well, this particular 904 GTS was used for cold weather testing in Iceland. And today is true to form. I hope she remembers the old days fondly and without frostbite. She's quite a car though.
Autosport Designs is proud to be able to offer this 904 GTS, one of the most original Survivor 904 GTSs in the world. It is ready for immediate use and enjoyment. It will be at home on the race circuit, concourse circuit, and equally at home being used on the street as well as for many exclusive rally and tour events throughout the world.